Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Aries, and if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I will update more videos. And if you want to make a purchase for your pet, you can DM me from the IG below the description, and on WhatsApp. It's okay. And today we're going to have a look of our new arrivals, Strawberry Calf. Those are our shoes, you can see, and the main skin is red and green. You can see a strawberry here, cuff. It's very cute. And the back, when you touch it, you can see here is very soft. Maybe you can get a pair to try. Yes, and we got 2 extra laces, green, red. Yes, and here are some points. And have a look of our bottom. The logo here. Yes, transparent bottom. And here is the green. You can see it's the same as the shoe. This 2 part. Yes, and the swoosh is a special one. The material. Yeah. Here is the info. And the other is the same. Have a close look. And the insole is special. Have some prints here. Okay, and the front. The line here. Okay. Here is also a strawberry. I think it's very cute one. And let's have a whole look. The front, the side, the back, and the curling bottom. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you next time. See you.